Do you have in mind any artist that you want to feature or do collaboration with?
For now, I think it's Mzbel.
Huh?
Mzbel.
But Siasembang, and what's the radio station? And I would know.
That's all.
Mzbel.
Yeah.
Former artist Mzbel.
Yeah. You know,
she's a former artist.
Yeah, but she did great. We have to learn how to celebrate people. She don't have to go before you started saying that, oh yeah, she did this, she's a...
Hey, Abeiku Santana. Abeiku Santana. But Siasembang, and what's the radio station? And I would know. Abeiku Santana. But Siasembang, and young artists, no, about radio station, no, Udi Wahano. Obi about radio station. Now we'll be sad to say, why no nya, Obi Fichano. Our music industry, now young artists, he can say, Mzbel, who be say, former artists. Hey, Abeiku Santana. We are very, very stupid man. Abeiku Santana. You are a very, very, very stupid, useless man. Awo, Abeiku, Mzbel Timpo. Umpo, your friend say, who your former radio presenter. Hey, Abeiku Santana. Who the hell do you think you are? Abeiku. Today, my Jewa with India Rajo. My Jewa with Yandrajo. Abeiku Santana. Asabra Okayano. I gave Baku Bonim. Abeiku said ya wuti who best for Utimpo. Obia Kasa, who your former radio presenter. Abeiku, why do you still think, say, who your radio presenter now? In your little life, no, or in your miserable life, Abeiku Santana, do you still think in your miserable life, no, you are still a radio presenter in Ghana? That is a no. If you still think you are a radio presenter in Ghana, then Abeiku Santana, you are deceiving yourself. Abeiku Santana, let me tell you something. Me buy industry 12, 13 years ago, no. Delay catch me say. Obi a me twa me hu ye power ne ho. Aya wo Abeiku Santana. Because the worker there snitch and a hypocrite. Abeiku Santana. The law is prepared to say, oh, you're number one. Me buy industry years ago, no. Delay catch me say. Obi a yes, I be sure to power one industry. Aya wo Abeiku Santana. And pala so me buy no. Me the many to talk 1 or 2. Me who's a we are very, very, very hypocrite. Abeiku. Who boy is for OT? Obi a can say, oh, you're former radio presenter. And I always refer Mzbel as a radio presenter. Abeiku Santana, wouldn't be. Catch a Ghana for the NCR, Sakubono village. Catch a Ghana for the NCR years ago, Ujani Fiho. Abeiku Santana, me odi tornado. Nana automatic. Nana change gear. Nana potakojeko. Me say, catch a Ghana for the buyer, Sakumono village, Ujani Fiho. So one catch a Ghana for the buyer, Sakumono village, Ujani Fiho, ma. Mebabeka. Because me who say, Umbu. We are a very, very stupid guy. Abeiku Santana, you are a very, very stupid guy. What do you mean? Asibolanga, who did our yes, I know. Hey, Abeiku. In Yamana Asibolanga, Edim Hono. And no, oh, sorry, okay, asibolanga the ass, nana. Abeiku, make us a venture one day. Say, at the Mzbel, see her. Now, Abeiku Santana. Yet you see her, man. Will be able, including entertainment industry, the mono. Mzbel, when you am saying. It is a watcher or corner her. Now, in your miserable life, Ojin said, oh, your papa see Obia. It's a no. If you ask what's nigga, now swallow, now no unti. Okay, see the ass, no. My make us a venture, delay cars every year, you know. If you ask what's nigga, so catch me play, please, a tornado. Obia is a swallow entertainment industry, we mu. Aye, Abeiku Santana. It's asibolanga, Abeiku Santana. Why you know, now no unti. O disrespect Mzbel no. Asibolanga on check you. Me cast match you. asibolanga catch me play apart from the lyrics there no. Or say the whole entertainment industry. Or be a snitch. I say be no. I wo Abeiku Santana. Abeiku a dying. And I want you a Mzbel ho. Abeiku Santana. Ambassadorial deals with Bear. In confirmation, I was signing Mzbel no. Who Abeiku Santana? What was say on ya? Like dying. Abeiku Santana dead out you a Mzbel ho. What is wrong with you? To tell you the truth, you are losing your credibility in this country. Abeiku Santana page boy. Abeiku Santana follow back. You are losing your credibility in this country. Be careful. Abeiku Santana. So why you say? O person dey wadu tutu e bi mu a. E bi na person dey wadu tutu mu no. E fa Mzbel also. Abeiku Santana, minni wadum pe. Abeiku Santana, me say minni wadum pe no mami no papa no. Kwa siasa Mzbel former Aris. Who still? Who you radio presenter? Abeiku Santana, be very, very careful with me. Me say, bra, na be catch a Ghana for the buyer Sakumono village. Ujani fi honam no. So why be catch a Ghana for the entire Sakumono village? Ujani fi honam. Remember, I be catch a Ghana for the entire Sakumono village. Ujani fi honam. Yeah, baby,